In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix PS5 turning off by itself while playing PS5 games. So firstly, what I did is that I went into my PS5 right here, and then I went into settings right here, as you can see. Then go into users and accounts, and then you're going to scroll down and click on other and click on restore licenses. Now restore license for every game that you have, and click on restore here and click on yes. Might take you a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes if you're really unlucky, to be fair. Now when it says license restored, then we can go back to this settings page here once again. Now what you're going to do in here is to click on system, and then you're going to click on system software and system software update and settings right here. So make sure that this one is up to date. If it's not, you most likely have to update it here using internet. Make sure that this one is up to date, because this is going to be able to fix lots of bugs. The third thing you need to do is to go into power saving here and click on this one, set time until PS5 enters rest mode. Click here and then change this one to don't put in rest mode, and this one as well, don't put in rest mode. The last thing you have to do is to click on the PS5 or like the PlayStation like logo on your controller. So just click there and then click on this power button here and then click on restart PS5 and try once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.